If you want to stop snoring naturally, try losing weight. If you want to breathe all night without breaks, try CPAP. If you want to wake up rested and energized, try nasal strips. If you want your partner to finally sleep in peace, try earplugs. Funny thing is, millions have tried all that and they still snore. Men who snore are twice as likely to suffer heart attacks and end up with big bellies and zero energy. That's why you need something different. Something that actually stops snoring instantly. Meet the Honex mouthpiece. It doesn't matter if it's snoring or sleep apnea, man or woman, this solution works for everyone. You'll sleep at night like a baby without jaw pain, tooth pressure, dry mouth, or drool. There's no taste, no smell, just pure comfort. No sizing hassle either. The material softens with your mouth's natural heat and it adapts perfectly and stays comfy all night. It's dentist approved, BPA free, and it won't slip out. Just pop it in before bed. I slept 8 hours, no interruptions, and in the morning I felt like a brand new man. Click below now. Today only, it's 50% off, and you'll get a second one free. Don't wait. They're selling out fast.